change my style. Yeah. Morris, the crochet. Yes, the like on the left side, that is the video that we're going to be doing right here in the tutorial. But there's something that I would like to share with you guys, and please also try to give me your answers, because yes, it is something that I've been doing for a long time. So if you're really my fan and you really do love what I do, this is something that we're going to do now. Like this hairstyle that we're going to do, it is how it looks, the way you see the way it looks. But I realized that on the methods that we always use when it comes to braiding, sometimes we need to change how. Like when you're doing the knotless braids, knowing that maybe our client is going to be holding puff, that one is better when if we can do it like in a knotless form. But I realized that maybe if someone is going to leave her hair falling down, we should always try to do the inward knotless, as you're going to be seeing in this video. So now let's name this A, this method. Let's name this method A. And I know most of you know how to do this method, like the knotless braids. I know most of you know how to do it this way. Okay, most of you know how to do this method like the way it is. So we have named this A. Okay, and now as we are doing it, of course we start it in this way, and then after we can do the twisting, because you saw the braiding was twisted. So here it is like this, and then I start doing the twisting. So we have named that one method A. Now there's also the method B that I would like also to look at it, and then you will tell me which one is better. Please just go right in the comment section, tell me which one is better. This one, of course, I know most of you know how to do this method, but now let's try to look at this next one, the one that we're going to name method B. And after making my lines like this, so you will tell me which one is better. And please, I'd like at least you can always tell me where you're watching this video from before give me that answer, so that we can see which one that we would have used even after all these braids. So let's do here. Remember, it is a triangular, so I just have to first make the sketch before doing everything. So now this is the method that we are going to name method B. So now try to look at it the way I'm doing it. I'm separating these into 3 portions like this, and then I braid once and then twice, just like this. Then I start adding in the extension, but I'm adding the extension, I'm adding it from down. I think if this angle is not fine with you, we are going to try to look at this perfect angle. I'm going to try to change the camera so that you can see it clearly. So this one is you just add it from the inside knotless way, just like that. You see, sorry, you see. And then when I reach here, of course we can do the twisting. So on these 2 methods, I would like you to tell me which one would you prefer. I think here she can, yes. Sometimes when you're doing this twist, it is always good, like tell your client always to hold on it. Yes, because as you're twisting, it also twists the hair. So you can tell your client to hold on it so that you don't bring that tension. Yes, let's just go right in the comment section. Tell me which method between A method and B method, which one would you prefer? Now look at here, you see how I'm doing it? Just like that, like once, twice, like this, and then I start adding in the hair extension just like that. You look at this. So it is you to tell me, but according to me, I feel like this is better because this client is going to leave her hair down. Yes, because of the hairstyle that we are doing. So there's no need of holding the puff, though all methods are okay, but depending on the style, on the styling, like if she was holding a puff, maybe would have used the knotless from down and going like upwards. You get it? But this time around, I see like there's no need of doing the knotless since this person is going to leave the braids falling down. So you can also try to give me an idea, and please make sure that you don't forget to like the video. If possible, you can share so that yes, we keep the love. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z. We are located in Ntinda, Ministers Village. And yes, we started already. We have our hair beauty school going on, so the registration is in progress. You can always come and register with us so that you can do the hairdressing course, and I'm always happy to be one of your instructor, so that we always learn. The way you see me here doing this, it is the same thing I can do it when you see me live. So let's do this, and please don't forget method A and method B, which one is the best? Let me see it.
Yeah, a one time, you know. Gangsta. Oh na 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 na. Yeah, a one time, baby. Yeah, hey baby Chana, you're pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okuliddwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo, basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by Clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by Clippers, na 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 na. Hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers. Balling it like expected, it like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, it like expected. Yeah. Then one crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by Clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by Clippers. Balling it like expected. Jump. Hair by Clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Confidence said in chikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller, shot callers tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Everybody, Clippers, we're the best. Yeah. Everybody, Clippers.